In this video, we are going to see how we can insert a section break in Google Docs that really helps you to format any specific part of the document different from the other part of the document. So that's why we use section break. In order to insert this, all you have to do is just select a specific part of the document. Make sure the cursor is flashing here. Click on this. And after that, click on insert. We go to the break and we have two options: section break next page, section break continues. So if we click on section break next page, what this will do is wherever cursor was placed, the rest of the data will transfer to the next page. Even if we bring it to the start of the next paragraph, we click on insert, click on section break next page, it will shift the data to the next page. Click on insert. If we select section break continues, what this will do is this will create a break that will allow you to format the other part of the data separately, but it will not transfer that other text into next page. So that is how we can create a section break in Google Docs. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.